Here are your Court News Ohio top stories in 5 minutes.
I am convinced as ever that we can improve the way we select judges and therefore enhance the confidence in our judiciary.
During her speech at the Ohio State Bar Association annual convention, Ohio Supreme Court Chief Justice Maureen O'Connor outlined a 3-point plan to reform judicial elections in Ohio that are based on questions she posed at the State Bar Association's convention last year. O'Connor said the first of the 3 parts would be to elevate judicial elections.
I propose that we amend the Ohio Constitution to move all judicial races to odd years, while at the same time making some modest changes to the Ohio Revised Code to place these races at the top of the ballot. Judges would appear in a less crowded field, and judicial elections would get the attention that they deserve.
The second part is a comprehensive approach to voter education, including a website housed by the Bliss Institute of Applied Politics at the University of Akron that will launch next year with information about judicial candidates at every level. And finally, the reform plan calls for an increase to the current 6-year minimum experience requirement to serve as a judge.
After careful study, conferring with lawyers, judges, elected leaders, citizens in every corner of the state, I've concluded that the plan that I offer today will strengthen judicial elections in Ohio, will empower voters, and support the highest quality judiciary possible.
More information about the 3-point plan is available at ohiojudicialreform.org.
In celebration of Law Day, Court News Ohio has launched an interactive online glossary to help the public understand the legal terms that courts and lawyers frequently use. The new tool features pop-up definitions that appear when a reader hovers over underlined legal words in articles on the CNO website. The complete glossary currently contains 160 definitions, translating legal jargon into simple English. Ohio Supreme Court Justice Judith Ann Lanzinger played a key role in developing the court's first interactive online glossary. A committed advocate of public education about the courts and a former teacher and law professor, Justice Lanzinger worked with the court's Public Information Office to choose legal terms relevant to Ohio.
It makes it easier for you to understand the reasoning and the analysis of what the justices have done. Anything that will make it more simple and easier for people to understand is an excellent tool in my book.
Along with the pop-up definitions and glossary, CNO also introduced the Legal Word of the Week. Follow Court News Ohio on Facebook or Twitter for each week's featured legal word and definition. Perry County Judge Dean Wilson wants students to know the effects and consequences of drinking and driving, which is why each year right before prom season, he takes his court off-site to a local high school. More than 200 senior government students on April 25th from 5 area high schools and criminal justice students from Hawking College witnessed real trial court proceedings at New Lexington High School. Judge Wilson started the program 11 years ago, and all but one case focused on alcohol-related offenses.
Since implementing this program, we've never had any alcohol-related offenses out of any of the schools during prom.
Students said seeing the jury trial in person helps them understand the process.
It's been pretty interesting. I've actually never seen a court case. It's actually a lot different than what you would expect on TV. Clears up actually how it is, makes it more real.
We, the jury, find the defendant guilty.
Judge Wilson said it's a good civics education program and encourages other judges to give it a try. More than 225 new lawyers walked across the stage on May 5th to receive their law certificates and be admitted to practice in Ohio during a special Supreme Court session at the Ohio Theater in Columbus.
I will conduct myself with dignity.
Justice Paul Pfeiffer administered the oath of office to applicants who were successful on their February Ohio bar examination and who had satisfied all of the Supreme Court's other requirements for admission. About 64% of those who sat for the February exam received a passing score. Ohio Supreme Court Justice Judith French gave the keynote speech during the bar admission ceremony. She said the new lawyers should be proud of their accomplishment.
For all of you, this is an achievement that represents hard work and perseverance. I hope you will take a moment to soak in what you've accomplished and be proud of being here. And be proud of the profession you are joining.
Of the 440 applicants who sat for the exam, 283 received passing scores, and 226 walked the stage on May 5th with their certificates of admission to the practice of law. That's a look at Court News Ohio's top stories. Visit courtnewsohio.gov for the latest headlines on Ohio's courts.